Hello, today I want to pick this Chubb, or rather Union G110. That's a lever lock from the UK. It's got 5 levers, although 2 of them don't require lifting, 1 and 3. Even though that's the case with this lock, it is quite difficult to pick. And the levers have false gates that are quite effective, and they act very tapered as well. So let's see how it goes. Let's tension and pull on the tensioner to compress the pack. Five. Two. I think I messed up. Yeah, I did mess up. Okay. I have lifted 4 and 5 with my tensioner. Five. Four. Two. 4. 5. I think 2 dropped. That's fine. Four, 5 is nice. Let's check 2 again. Needs some lifting. Okay, seems fine now. Four and 5 are nice and loose. No. Five, 4,5, 4, and 2. Okay, it took me a while, but it is open. And these levers need some tapping, going through the whole pack and tapping them repeatedly until you move them slowly up enough so the lock can open. I mean, so the lock can open, yeah, that's obvious, but so the true gates can all slowly line up with the bolt. Yeah. Okay. So let's see what's inside now. Took me a while definitely to get it picked. Alright, that's the lock. Let's remove the levers, line them up, maybe here. Would make more sense to place them this way, since the shape of the I can't speak today. How is this called? Frame. Yeah, since it's horizontal. Okay, the levers are out now. And that's the curtain, I guess. That's the bits and bobs inside. Oh, it's closed. There's quite a few elements here. That's fascinating. Yeah, okay. Let's take a look at these levers then. That's one. At rest, it pretty much lines up with the gate. I mean, it did. It's like that at rest. So a 9 cut, I heard. It's got like 2 false gates, I think. Yeah, they are pretty shallow, but these levers still get stuck and you need to counter rotate in order to lift them. Okay, that's 2, which is a like medium lift, medium low maybe. That's another 9, so it's in the true gate at rest. This is the 4, pretty medium high lift. If that's medium low, then that's medium high. And that's the 5, a max lift, I believe. Yeah, pretty cool lock. My very first real lever lock that I have picked. It was a lot of fun picking this. I made myself a tool for this lock to pick a curtain lock. That's the tensioner with the groove for the picking wire. It's made of the Euro cylinder knob, and that's some brass rod with the slot for the tension wire. Yeah, works well. That's my picking wire with the double mend, which is here, so it can wrap around the curtain. This way, and you leave the levers like that. Works pretty well. Yeah, I was able to pick this lock. Probably it took me like considerably longer amount of time than for someone that picks lever locks often. But yeah, I was able to do that. Alright, let's take a look at these levers once again. And I think we can wrap up. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day, and bye bye.